Hello, everybody. Welcome to Tuesday. The S&P 500 was up 0.7% today. Our signals are still the same, greens for both of the stock and green and yellow for the bonds. Today's big news was that the CPI report came out. It was at 4%, which is a two-year low. And the market responded very positively to that. The Federal Reserve is meeting right now. They'll meet again tomorrow and come out and say whether they're going to raise rates or pause or whatnot. The expectation is very heavy that they're going to pause, a 90% chance that that's going to happen according to the market, especially after the CPI report. So it's really good news. The market's responding to that, I think, very positively. I would expect the Federal Reserve to have some aggressively negative things to say in an attempt to try to slow down this market growth. It's what they've done in the past. So we'll see what happens. We're also dealing with core inflation also, where they take CPI, for example, and take out food and energy. Core inflation hasn't been dropping quite as fast, and that is more of a concern to the Federal Reserve. So I'm sure we'll hear about that some tomorrow also. So it might take some of the wind out of the market with what they're saying, although we are getting kind of used to that. That's something the Fed has been doing quite a bit here, is trying to kind of talk things down. But it's going to be hard to get this genie back in the bottle at this point. Earnings were pretty good for the last quarter, combined with the debt ceiling now resolved, and you've got a situation where the Federal Reserve might be pausing, and top line inflation is coming down on CPI, et cetera. So things are going in the right direction. The things that we've been looking for to see a good market, and of course we've had a really nice 20% plus run here from the bottom in October, which makes this a bull market. The shortest bull market we've had is 2 years. So something could happen differently here. This is a different environment because of the addition of the pandemic. But we're just getting started. Obviously, it's only been about 6-7 months here since that bottom back in October. So anyway, very interesting time. Look forward to talking to you tomorrow about what the Federal Reserve says and kind of what is going on there. Talk to you then. Thank you.